Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Figma prototype. First, open your Figma file and navigate to the Prototype tab in the right sidebar. This is your command center for bringing designs to life. Next, select a frame on your canvas and click the plus icon next to Flow Starting Point to designate it as the beginning of your user journey. Then, simply drag the blue connection node from an element, like a button, to its intended destination frame. Now, let's make your prototype interactive. Select any element you want to trigger an action, then drag the blue connection node to the frame you wish to link. A small interaction details panel will appear. Here, you can choose from 9 different triggers, such as on-click for a tap or on-hover for a mouse-over effect. Then, select an action, like navigate to move to a new screen or open overlay for a pop-up. To make your prototype feel more realistic, add animations. After connecting 2 frames, select Smart Animate from the animation options. This feature intelligently animates changes between matching layers, creating fluid transitions. You can fine-tune the animation by adjusting the easing, like ease in and out, and setting a duration, perhaps 300 milliseconds. For pop-ups, choose Open Overlay and customize its position and background opacity, for example, 36%. Once your prototype is built, it's time to test it out. Click the Present button in the top right corner to open your prototype in Presentation View. For a more authentic experience, you can select a specific device frame, such as an iPhone 13 mini, from the prototype settings. Finally, to gather feedback, click the Share Prototype button, set the permissions to anyone with the link can view, and copy the link to share with collaborators.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.